welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, we want to say happy Memorial Day weekend. We are getting started with some nice barbecue chicken in the oven. If you can't do grilling or getting the grill started, we're going to show you what you guys can do. This is a simple way. We're going to use 5 ingredients for this wonderful recipe. We have some washed legs, everybody. Our chicken legs are thoroughly washed, and we're going to go ahead and season them to perfection. It's about how and what you do to season your food so it'll taste good, everybody. So the first thing we're going to do is sprinkle this with some good old onion powder, everybody. Some good old onion powder. It's about flavor. We're going to use a lot of this, okay? The next thing we're going to be using is garlic powder. Garlic powder is the next secret ingredient that we always love using when we doing our nice, wonderful flavors of chicken, for sure, everybody. The next thing we're going to be using is our rub, okay? We have a personal rub that we have with Mama Soul Kitchen that is going to be placed on our website, everybody. Yes, it's wonderful. It's just simply wonderful. But first, we're going to put on some nice garlic, everybody. We're putting on the dehydrated minced garlic that comes in a bottle, and we're going to put this on this to pop it with flavor as it's baking in the oven, everybody. Okay, now here we go. We're adding on our wonderful rub here. It's just amazing. It doesn't have much salt in it at all, so we get really flavor happy when we are seasoning up our chicken legs, everybody. Now, you know what we're going to do? We're going to turn it over and do the same process. The same process that what we just did, everybody. We're going to suck this on up out of this pan right here and make sure all of this gets all of this goody all wrapped up all into one, of the flavors just pop throughout your mouth, and the people won't talk about you at the church, right? Okay, so we're going to turn this over. We're going to rub it on in the pan. We're going to get all this goody all up on there and make sure everything is seasoned perfectly, definitely, but we are cooking this wonderful recipe, everybody. Very simple. It's about what you put in it, right? It's about how you do it, what it tastes like, and make it come back for seconds and thoughts. That's when you know your chicken is good, okay? I'm telling you, I have had some dried chicken, and it was horrible, everybody. Just simply horrible. I said, where is the flavor? Where's the seasoning? They said, I just use some salt and pepper. That is a no to the no to the heck to the no, okay, everybody? If you want to keep a man, ladies, this is what you do. We're going to season it to perfection. So as I said, we turn this over. Look at that. It even looks good like this, but we're still going to add our extra flavors to our chicken, everybody. Now, we're going to go through step 1 again. We're going to add the onion powder on top of this again, okay? It's the same process. It's very crucial. This is very important, okay? You can always add a lot of garlic powder or onion powder. Now we add more garlic powder because it doesn't have salt in it, but it has lots of flavor. Remember, it's about flavor. Okay, now we're going to add some more of that minced good dehydrated garlic on top of this, and we're going to make sure all the flavor is going through. I'm telling you, it smells really good, and it's not even done yet. Hey, granddaughter, come on in. Hey, what's going on? We're cooking some barbecue oven chicken for Memorial Day. Oh, okay, great. Oh, that looks good. Yes, we already added in all our seasonings, and here's our famous rub here. We have our wonderful barbecue chicken rub that we added on it. Oh, that's wonderful. I'm so glad you're sharing that. Yeah. We're going to have that on the website pretty soon, everybody. Now, I'm arranging these legs to how I like it. I usually like to go cat-a-corner across each direction to make sure it's not going in the same direction. I also kind of want to cook with a little bit air pockets in between, okay? That's what seals in the barbecue sauce and the flavor. Everybody, this is how you get that nice, perfect caramelized chicken. So once this is all flavored, this is going to be the last step that we do, okay? We're going to have one more step. This is number 5, everybody, okay? 5. Now, this is the most important part. We're going to make sure that we add some wonderful barbecue sauce. Now, I don't know what kind of barbecue sauce you use, but we use the nice, thick, and wonderful. What do you call that? Papa Daddy's. I'm just kidding, everybody. Oh my goodness. Anyway, we use Sweet Baby Ray's. Sweet Baby Ray's is our favorite barbecue sauce. We love the taste of it. We always keep a bottle of it here in the house. So we're going to go ahead and just sprinkle this all over top of this chicken just like that. You see that little squiggles and everything? But we're going to make sure it's plenty because we want it to cook like this, okay, everybody? You're going to heat your oven at 375 degrees, and it should look like this before we put it in the oven. It's going to be uncovered. Oh, oops, surprise! We have our stovetop candied yams, everybody. Yes, that's on our recipes on our YouTube channel. You can go check that out. But we also have a pot of sweet potatoes, yams. Of course, everybody, we had to have some candied yams, okay? There ain't nothing about some good old barbecue sauce without some candied yams. Look at the flavors all through. I see that butter, the cinnamon, the brown sugar, and the vanilla, and all. Oh, you guys got to stay tuned for that. Go check it out on our YouTube channel. All right, you guys, so it's been a good 45 minutes. We're going to just check the chicken, everybody. It's possibly not done yet, but we're going to make sure. But look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. Nice and sticky sauce. It just makes you want to slap somebody. And I'm telling you, this is the most best way to do it in your baking a barbecue chicken, everybody. Now, look at this. You see all this? Look at that. Look at that. Now, you see that redness right there? It's not ready. So we're going to put it back in there for another 10 to 15 minutes, everybody. So it's going to be about a total of 55 minutes to an hour. Okay, everybody? Now, this is how it looks, but we're going to put it right back in that oven. But this is just mouth-watering. Oh, my goodness, grandmother. You know what? This is one of the best recipes that you use for barbecuing chicken. And yeah, exactly. But we're going to put a little bit more. Yeah, a little bit more sauce. Extra sauce to make it extra saucy. Just like me. Grandmother. Well, I'm just saying. Grandmother, I don't know what I'm going to do with you. But yeah, everybody. So we're going to make sure we add that Sweet Baby Ray's back on here. Now, you know, Sweet Baby Ray's has all kinds of flavors too. But we just use the regular hickory smoked one, regular. And they also have honey. That's good too. And they have also some other ones. You just have to, whatever your tickle your fancy is how you do it, okay? Now, this is how it's going to happen. We're going to put it right back in that oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. Like I said, we just emptied this whole bottle out. We just try to make sure we got it all, everybody. Woo! This smells so good. Yeah, I'm telling you, this is it. Now, we're going to put this right back in the oven, like I said. Look at, see how coated? That's important, everybody. We want to coat it just like this, okay? Now, it's been 10 to 15 extra minutes. About 12 minutes, actually. And look what happens when it comes out that oven. Look at that. Just look at that. Just makes you want to slap somebody. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious, everybody? I'm telling you, it's very simple. You let the oven do all the work. And I'm telling you, this is how you do it. Oh, can we eat now? Yes, we can. But anyway, we need some baked beans, too. And that good old, finish up those candy yams. Oh, definitely. Well, you guys, if you guys really like what you see, it smells so good. You guys really got to follow us for a lot more. Like, share, and subscribe. We are checking it right here to make sure that it ain't no blood in it. Exactly. But look at that. So it's no blood coming out. We're making sure. And I know you can't tell because of the barbecue sauce, but you can really tell because you can see the juices running on the side. Right there. Yep. You see them juices? Now right here, you can really see the juices because we're about to poke it one more time. This nice big old piece right here in the center. And we're going to show you what your juice is supposed to look like. This is when you know you have a juicy chicken. Look at that bubbles. See them bubbles right there? That's clear. Yes, that's all goody right there. That's when you know your chicken is really ready and ready to go. I'm telling you, everybody, I enjoyed this so much, sharing our recipe with you and everybody else who joined us on the websites and everything else. We just love you guys. We just love you. And go ahead and follow us again on our YouTube channel because we have a lot more that's coming soon. Happy Memorial Day. And I'm just happy. Me too. Give me a plate. Okay, I'm going to give me a plate too. All right, you guys. See you later. Bye, you guys. Bye.